AEG Lavatherm t65170av drier. Not very old, beeps 3 times approx 10 minutes into a drying cycle, then cools to a stop. Washing still wet and cold. Try to get error code from previous thread, got 2 red flashes and 4 ambers. Please help.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. I don't think you got the error code correct. Not sure how you did it, but try this way and see what you find. Set it going on any cycle. Press and hold the start button and the button to the left of it. Keep them both held until the LEDs go out. Then the start light will flash. Count the number of red flashes, then the number of green flashes, and let me know. Regards.
Hi, I get 6 amber and 2 red. No green.
That's great, that's the code we need. This is E62 error code, which is a heater-related fault. What you need to do is remove the bulge cover on the back, and from there you will see the heater unit. Take that out and turn it over, and there you will see 2 thermostats. You need to test them with a multimeter and see if they are faulty. If so, then you need to replace the heater unit. As the thermostats come as part of the heater, I'm afraid, so when they fail you need to replace the heater. Check them and see what you find, but for the E62 code it's usually down to the heater itself, I'm afraid. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.